With Jumpmind Commerce, what we've looked to do is really create a seamless experience for the associate as they work through what have become really complex omni-channel journeys that customers expect. As the pandemic has hit, of course, things like curbside have come and become much more important. We've seen same-day delivery become kind of a new journey that's becoming expected beyond the hospitality industry, but also into specialty retail. And what we're doing in Jumpmind Commerce is trying to facilitate simplicity in the processes, so that if I'm doing a pickup in store or a same-day delivery order, that I can aggregate those orders together and pick them in the most efficient way possible, whether that's by department, by individual order, by line item, those sorts of things. Because ultimately what we're trying to do as we do more and more of these omni-channel journeys is find ways to reduce the cost and the burden on those associates in those journeys. With Jumpmind Commerce, we're really focused on a number of things. Probably the most important to us is our partnership and the partnership that we have with our customers. Every deployment that we've had, every implementation has been 100% successful, 100% referenceable, and we're really focused on that customer success. Really the area that drives that success is how we do our implementations. So with Jumpmind, we're focused on ensuring that we have involvement in all the implementations to ensure architectural quality of the end product or the end solution that goes in the stores, as well as ensuring kind of retail best practices as part of that. Another area where we think we differentiate is really around evolution. So traditionally, POS has been a rip and replace model where you buy a monolithic application, you replace your existing monolithic application. And what microservices have really enabled us to do is to enable a retailer to solve the challenge that they have. What's the business pain that you're having occur today, and how can we leverage the microservices to do that or to fix that? Where we've done that is kind of in the world of self-checkout as an example, where maybe you have a legacy monolithic POS application, but you need to add in self-checkout today for a business challenge. And we've been able to then layer our self-checkout on top of it. Or let's say you want to have you have a tax issue and you need to replace your tax engine that's running in your old POS. We can leverage our microservice focused on tax, stand it up just to solve that individual challenge. And then with that evolution, we're then able to kind of evolve with that retailer. So let's start with self-checkout, and then over time, implement more of the microservices to ultimately update their entire estate.